Now, this is hamster Kombat right here, and this is the current price is trading 0.0028. Now, I'm going to go to the technicals, right, telling you the price prediction of hamster Kombat in this 2025 bull run. Do you think the hamster Kombat can delete these two zeros in this bull cycle? Very, very possible. Now, if you've got any question, you can just type it in the comment section below. Do well to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So now, look at the market cap right here. We're talking about $180 million right here market cap, and is still very, very low. Look at the FDV right here. FDV, right, 24 hours trading volume. Now look at 24 hours trading volume. You want to consider that too. We're talking about $13.4 million. Consider that. Now, hamster Kombat token is currently sitting at 382, right? As of the time I'm making this video, you can look at max supply, right? 100 billion. That's the max supply of hamster Kombat, right? And now consider that hamster Kombat is listed on major exchanges, right? Now consider that factor too. Hamster Kombat surpassed 1 cent ahead of layer 2 launch. Right now, layer 2 solution, very, very important now on Ton blockchain, right? So it's going to make transactions cheaper, right? It's going to make transactions cheaper. It's going to make it faster. Now look at this. Here comes the blockchain, right? This is Hamster Kombat Telegram group, right? Yeah. Now the voting has ended, right? The DEO community has spoken. There will be Hamster Kombat Layer 2 blockchain I built on Ton. So that's very, very massive, right? Trust me, that's very, very massive. And I've just told you, what layer 2 means, right? Basically you are building it on Ton blockchain. That's basically, layer 2, right? And we also have layer 3 also, but we don't want to, talk about that. Maybe I can do that in a separate video if you don't understand layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 blockchains and cryptos and all of those stuff, right? So, right now, look at community. We're talking about 6.8 million people, right, that viewed this stuff right here. So hamster Kombat still got community, right? For those people talking that they would die of there, definitely look at 6.8 million views right here. Now beta testing phase has started already. Look at this right here. 30,000 people will participate on the beta testing phase. Right now, let's go down, let's go see some stuff. Let's see what hamster Kombat is currently working. Now, those are the features, right? Few facts that we've got to note right here. Now, hamster Kombat will enable 10 transactions. Now, this is what I was talking about, right? More than 10 transactions per second than Visa right here. Look at this right here. So transactions are going to be faster, right? Very, very important, and you have to consider all of these factors right here. Smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? This is Hamster Kombat right here, and let's do a price prediction on Hamster Kombat, right? So this is going to be purely technical, right? I'm going to show you some other factors that will make price move, right? We are in 2025 and the bull run is just around the corner. It has started already, right? So we are just waiting for the last phase of the bull run, right? So it's just trying to act funny, with all of these consolidations that we are seeing, right? So this is Hamster Kombat monthly time frame, right? So this is the 5th month that Hamster Kombat is trading, after being listed, right? So this is it right here. So what you're trying to find on the monthly time frame, you're trying to find patterns, and you're also trying to find if the market is trending or if it is what Shopee consolidating. And we can see what's a clear case scenario of a Shopee market, a consolidating market right here. You can see that right there. Can you see that? Right, it's very, very simple, right? So you come to the monthly time frame to depict that, right? So price is reacting around the zone, and when you get to the lower time frame, it's more clearer, right? So that you can see how price is moving, right? So the reason of us coming to the higher time frame is to see a clearer picture of what price is doing on the higher time frame. Then with that, we can most likely deduce what is going to happen on the lower time frame. So this is a Shopee market. Why? This is a consolidating market. So what a consolidating market does most of the time is just to move sideways, right? Move sideways. Remember, we are still bullish, right? We are bullish in the sense that price is going to keep moving to the downside. Like this is a clear case of Shopee market, and what happens is price will always come and break out the trading side that market has been trading. So if we are having a shopping market on a what a upward trend, right, price is going to break out in the upward direction, basically, right? If you're having a shopping market on a downward trend, market is going to break out on the downward direction. And you can see that we are having a shopping market, right? Shopping market, and prices, on in the upward trajectory. You understand, right? So for us to actually invalidate this upward movement, right? This upward trend, right? Price needs to come and break this zone right here, right? This support right here. Price needs to come and break this support right here. Right, that's the listing price, basically. You understand, right? So I don't want to explain much, right? I don't want to explain much. If you want to learn, you sign up for Smart Traders Academy, right? So from there you can learn a lot of things, right? So that's the monthly time frame, right? Yeah, let's go to the lower time frame. So the reason of us going to the lower time frame is to see what price is doing, right, on a lower scale, right? So I always try to analyze things on a higher time frame, right, so that I can see what price is going to most likely do in the next 3 months, 6 months to come, like possible moves. You understand? Even if we are shopping like for months, basically, and we have been shopping, we did have a shopping market for a very long time right now. That we're talking about like 4 months in a row, basically, right? So that's it. So you can see that price is reacting to this zone, and I said that if we come to the lower time frame, you can see where price is currently reacting, and price is reacting to the 0.002 zone right here. You can see 0.002 zone. That's where price is currently reacting right here, right? So that's it. All right, let me delete this because it's not relevant to the chart again, and I'm going to show you where price is going to trade to, most likely trade to, right? Possible target, that realistic, right? Realistic, very, very important. So that's where price is reacting to, and this is another zone that price is reacting to. So we have a support here, right? Let me show you this. We have a support here, right? And we have a resistance right here. You can see price has reacted to this zone before, so that means that's a major zone right here. And the all-time high that price did reach last time we pumped was 0.01 zone right here, and price is going to move past that zone, right, in this bull run. So stick around, right? So what you want to do right now, come to the lower time frame again, right, so that you can see a clear picture of what price is doing, right? So as I said, right, in this consolidating market, price is going to break out, right, in a upward trajectory. Price is going to keep making series of higher highs and higher lows, right? So this is exactly what you want to see right here, so this is price, so in this case, right, this is higher low, higher high. Higher high is going to be let me try to string this, right? Let me delete this, don't worry, I'm going to put it back again, right? Higher low, right? Higher high, right? Higher high, price reacted to there, that's the all-time high. Then higher low, right? You remember the price has reacted to this place for 3 times in a row, so that's a major zone right here, and price is going to come here, higher high, right? Stick around, right? So that's it. So you can see price did what price did is in a upward trajectory. Now let's just try to get this right here. Let me do something, right? Let me take my Fibonacci right here, Fibonacci retracement, right? Higher low, higher high, then we drag it. So this is we're talking about like more than what we are talking about 90% downward movement right here. That's exactly what we are talking about. 90% downward movement. That's price retracement after the pump. We're talking about 90%. And I said, if a coin get listed, price is going to retrace what 80%, 90%, sometimes even more than what minus 100%. You understand? That's below the listing price, right? So that's how most coins. You can go and backtest this, right? That's how price is. You get, they are still going to keep to tank down, because definitely if a coin get listed, people are going to sell, right? There is going to be massive selling pressure. People are going to sell off, sell off, sell off. Then the reason of the selling off, I always advise people to sell off, right? The coin get listed, you sell off, right? If I pump to a significant extent, and most especially if you come to the higher time frame and you see all of these weak recessions right here. We're talking about the daily time frame, right? So you seeing this will just alert you that this is weak recessions right here. These are weak recessions, right? These are candle wicks, right? In the candle we have a candle, body of the candle, and the wicks of the candle. These are the wicks of the candle, right? So you see this, a lot of weak recessions. If you see this on the daily time frame, that's telling you to sell. If you even see this on the 4 hours time frame, that's alerting you to sell off. You understand? Because price is going to keep tanking to the downside. That's the sell off that we're talking about. So price is going to move down 90% of the time, 80% of so 100% of the time, right? That's 100% retracement that we're talking about. You get, so that's how it is, right? Now this I think we've bottomed here, right? We've bottomed right here, 0.002. That's we've bottomed right here, right? So price is most likely going to move up from the zone, right? So price is going to most likely move up from this. So if you're buying from this zone, it's not bad at all. Let's say you made money from this hamster Kombat listing, right? You made money and you are just enjoying your cash, right? Because you have this mentality that price is going to keep like sell off, right? Price is going to sell off, right? What you have to do is you just have to wait, right? Price sell off to this zone, then you buy back again. That's a reasonable way of trading, right? That's a reasonable way of doing it. And you have to take profit, right? And I know some people want to hold for long term. It's not always like that, right? You have to have some little ideas on how you can trade your way around all of these things, right? You sell off, then you buy back again at a lower price, then price is going to what push to the upside. So this is my target right here, and price is going to move up, right? So we need to break this zone right here. So if we break the all-time high, right? If we break the all-time high, which is 0.001, then we're coming to what 0.02. You get, right? Very, very realistic. That's exactly where we are going to this 2025. So this is my solid price prediction for hamster Kombat, and you have to put this in mind. Catch you guys later. Peace out.